I've got them all rounded up from last night. Just putting them in the dog box here. All right, we got these bad boys loaded up like a pack of Walker dogs headed to the bear woods. About to go get processed. All right, these are our cone setup. You can see where we used it yesterday. We're gonna go ahead and get us a mess of them in the cones and get them dispatched. I don't know what I'll be able to show. I'll show you, hang on. About that. I'll put underneath that. You can sleep right there, baby. You wanna come help me? Alright, always respect your animal, but you want to grab it by the feet and the head when you go to put it in the killing cone.
We're not doing it.
So, huh?
Which one, the short
No,
one?
just get a chicken.
Hey, I did eat that.
Good.
I don't know how to hold it.
That was a lot of help.
Cut it off.
Yeah.
Well, don't take me.
I fixed the cones last night. We all were at the dollar store.
They're too far back.
Right. Okay, so I don't know if I'm allowed to show this, but if it gets flagged, it gets flagged. So these should be about completely done. I won't show that one over there. What you think, Miss Whitley Ray?
I don't know.
You like doing this or no? Would you rather be doing this or standing in line for Rip Ride Rocket?
That?
What, this?
No, Rip Ride Rocket.
Oh. What? I like Red Rider. I love Red Rider Rocket. But I can't ride it. All right, chicken.
Like, convenience.
Whoops. Little nerves. Sorry. I didn't mean to grab your hair.
I can't reach those.
How we did it yesterday was
I can't reach.
just reach in there and grab a leg. How we did it yesterday was way different what we're gonna do it today. We're gonna finish killing these last 30 all together. We're gonna put them all, we're gonna scald them, plunk them, everything all at the same time. Put them into a brine tank, not a brine tank, but a cooling tank. We need one more with. Put them into a cooling tank, and then we'll, within 30 minutes, start taking them back out and gutting them and all that. While we're letting those guys finish off, we'll check our water here. It needs to be between about 135, 145, something like that. We'll get it a little above temp and cut it off. That way we can finish dispatching all these birds. But we're at 123, 122, so won't be long.
Do I just put in the water? Yeah, they definitely go before 30. Jovi! Jovi! Come on. I mean, because if it's when we're like kind of scalding or whatever, we can use that. We'll take it.
Cut it on, Ella.
Mississippi did a lot better.
38 work?
Yeah. If you wing fed us.
this in the morning.
Huh?
So I don't want to do this in the morning. At all.
Hopefully when you're older we have other people that can do it in the family.
Yeah, well. Do you want me to? I let it go a little longer.
Oh, you did?
I want to. What? Like what weird? What weird? Like that.
There's another knife there.
There's one right here, and there's several up here.
Over there.
I got you. You want a big one or a little one?
Probably a small one. I don't know. Bring me a big one.
On the leg part, you just do this, just that joint. That's it.
Huh?
Just this one or this one and the bigger one?
Yeah. Huh? Dang.
I can go wash it now.
Yeah.
So like. Put that
I just use my hands because you're gonna pop it. Pop that gallbladder. I think that's what it is. Hang on, I'll pass you this one.
See, this is filming her hand and you can see how hard she's dilated for a baby.
Try not to put the guts on the table, that way you're going to put the meat. I said try not to. Okay, I mean, not that you're going to clean it every time.
Well, they're getting cleaned up there.
Yeah, but you don't want to pop something and then do 10 chickens in it. You know what I mean?
Alright, well, yeah, I'll clean it if I pop something like we did yesterday.
Ellie, come fill this, drain this cooler and fill it back up with cold water.
This one right here?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, baby.
I love you.
I think you like to eat more.
I can buy my food.
Not too sure.